Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Flourish Oyakilome and this is Flourish Journey. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos and I film about faith, relationship, motherhood and lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some items, a baby haul video. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the items that I bought for my baby, because my baby is 7 months and although we have started weaning him, but I got some items that I'll be using to like wean him, because I want to actually do this baby led weaning. Yeah, so that is what I want to use, where my baby can be able to eat by himself. So I got some items, and like I think 3 weeks ago, and they finally arrived. I went to go and pick them up like this week, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything and how much I got them, everything about it. So let's just jump right into the video. I'm really excited about this one. So here are the items that I'm going to unbox. You can see that it's already wrapped. I have not opened it up, so I'm going to be opening it up and showing you guys everything. I'm going to show you guys everything, okay? So let us unbox together. Set this high chair. Are you asking me? I'm asking you now. Oh God, don't let me make a mistake here now. Please, see. I don't want to make a mistake for this thing. This thing is not your delicate something. I'm trying to set something for you. See your items. See. Yay! Yeah. See. I'll test this. put you inside. Wait. Daddy say you should stand. Sit inside. This is where we'll be putting you, giving you food. Why is this thing too far for big for you? Don't cry, don't go. Shh. Wait, his leg. He likes it. See? Momo, this is going to be his high chair. He's already getting used to it. Oh my god. Momo, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Eh? Do you like it? Momo? Momo, do you like it? Zayn, do you like your high chair? Do you like your high chair? Do you like your high chair? Momo! Hey, don't come down from look at this boy. He has already started exploring. See, you used to be eating food. Here. This is so nice. I love it. It's so lovely. Wow. Okay, so these are the items that I got. This particular one is a walker. Yeah, this is it. This is a walker. And yeah, these items, first of all, they are not new. They are foreign use, like second hand. Yeah, for this kind of items I prefer to go for the second hand because they are cheaper. You actually don't necessarily need to buy new items for these things. Okay, so I went to check online and I found a vendor that honestly her delivery was although it took a while, but I just loved her customer service. It was amazing. So I got these two items from her, although it took 3 weeks because when I reached out to her, she didn't have a high chair. She only had this, so I was willing to wait for her to get this so that I will have to pay my delivery once, because of course anything that will make me to save money, Flourish should grab it with her both hands. So I had to wait for her to deliver, to get high chair, and then when she finally got high chair, she informed me that she has high chair, so I had to pick this one, and then they delivered it together last week. I just went to pick them up. Shoo, sorry, I thought you want to stay here now. You don't want to stay again. Wait, I'll remove you. Wait, I was putting you here, you liked it, now you don't want to stay again. Oh yeah, wait. So this particular walker, I got it for 30,500. Yeah, this is it. The items are very, very clean. I wish you can see a close look. Very clean. 30,500. So this particular the high chair, I got it for 37,500. So everything put together is 37,500 plus 30,500. That's, let me do the maths, that's 38,000 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 68,000. So everything I got was 68,000 for both of them. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you guys is this baby sets, feeding sets. Yeah, this is also the things I got for him. This feeding set, this silicone feeding set. So this is So yeah, these are the feeding set I got. It comes with a bib. Yeah, this is the bib. It comes with a bib, then this bowl, then it comes with a spoon and a fork. Yeah, this, and then with a straw cup. This particular one, it comes with a straw cup. Please, if you're hearing any noise, is my son Zane. He's already playing with the waka already. I've put him there so that he can allow me to finish my video. So he's the one playing with the waka. Please just manage the noise. So it also came with this extra cover for the cup, like it's a snack cover. If you put anything like snack, you can cover it with this. So it came with an extra cover, and then it came with a plate with a lid. This is how the plate looks like. And then the lid comes with, and they are all suction plates. They're all suction. Yeah, so they stay stiff on the table. Let me even, yeah, see, it stays stiff on the table. So yeah, so everything here cost me 20,000. Yeah, it came in a bag like this. So that's what I'm going to be using to be feeding my baby, to wean him. Now he's 7 months, so he should start eating by himself. Although we started weaning him, giving him solid, giving him fruit, puris and everything, he has started eating those things. So but I want to be able to give him his food and he'll be able to feed himself. So that's the reason why I bought all of this, to help with our weaning process. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of our weaning, and how our baby Zane is taking it and how he's doing. So yeah, so that is everything that I got for weaning my baby, and the baby items that I got. These are all of them. Yeah, so these are all of them. So this cost me 20,000 naira, like I said before. So if you're interested in where I got these items, you can send me a DM on my Instagram. I'm going to put my handle on this video, so you can send me a message on my Instagram, send me a DM, and I'm going to like share where I was able to get these items. Okay, so just know these are not new. They are foreign used. They are thrifted. They are not used. So but they are very neat and sturdy. Okay, so I think that is all for this video. Sorry. Do you want to go back? Oh, yeah, come to mommy, come. So he's already launching the worker already. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so you can always see a video from us whenever we post. So please, if you've not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Please, we are begging you, please subscribe. Don't only watch but also subscribe to our channel. Please, if you're looking for motherhood content, you'll find them here on this page. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. So we'll see you again in our next video. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye. Zane, say bye. Tell them bye. Tell my audience bye. Tell them you have our online uncles and aunties. Tell them. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.